Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series on using Spaza Commerce for your online store. In this video, we will be covering how to add a custom domain to your online store. So if you haven't done so yet, sign in at www.spaza.co, choose the store that you'd like to use in this video, and then just click on domain name under store settings in the admin control panel navigation drawer. Now, just to cover what a custom domain name is really quickly, if you look at the URL in the top section of my browser, you'll see there that my store that I'm working on currently has a domain name of brilliant-guitars.spaza.co. Now, that's actually okay, but if you'd like to use a different domain, or you have a domain that you'd like to use already, that's when you would then come through to this domain name section, and that's where you'll be able to update this to a domain that you choose. So now all that's left is to just run through the two options that you see on your screen now. As I don't have a domain registered, and I'm also not looking to register a domain, I'm not going to fill this in and go through the entire process, but I will cover in detail how each one of these options works, so you'll definitely know exactly what to do if you're looking to add a custom domain to your store. So let's say you already have a domain registered. You, for example, went to GoDaddy or another hosting provider and you've registered your own domain already. In that case, you would actually choose option 1 and fill in your domain underneath option 1's domain URL box over there. Please note though that if you do want to use your URL and you have one already that you've registered with an outside provider, you will need to direct all traffic from that domain to your Spaza domain. Now, don't worry if that's a bit confusing. Your domain host will definitely be able to help you out with that. Otherwise, just drop Spaza Commerce a message and you will definitely be able to get some help with that. And it's really as simple as that. So all you need to do then is just fill in your domain right here after you've directed all traffic to your Spaza domain as indicated here in the comments above. Let's just say it's mydomain.com. All you need to do then is just fill it in and then click on use my own domain, and Spaza Commerce will do the rest for you. Then option 2, let's say you don't have a domain yet and you'd like to register a new domain. Well, Spaza Commerce offers a free domain registration service to you as a subscriber. So you can then choose option 2 if you'd like to register a new domain, and they'll actually go ahead and do that for you for free. It does need to be a .co.za, a .com, or a .org though. So if you want a domain that falls outside of those domain suffixes, you will just need to go and register your own and then use option 1. But if you'd like one, say a .co.za or a .com, all you need to do then is just fill it in. So in my case, let's just call this my cool domain .co.za, and if that is available, Spaza Commerce will actually register that for you for free and go and attach that to your store for you. So it's actually really easy. If you'd like to check to see whether a domain is available before you fill that in, you can just use any domain name search tool to just check that. There is one linked over here called domain name search tool. I think that takes us through to GoDaddy if I'm not mistaken. That's right. So let's actually see if my cool domain is actually available. So all I need to do then is just fill that in underneath the domain name search box, and then just click the search button. And it turns out this domain actually is available. That's fantastic. So that's great. This is actually available. I don't need to go any further and purchase it from here. We'll just go back to the Spaza Commerce admin control panel, and we could actually just fill that in over here. My cool domain, and then just click register my free domain, and then Spaza Commerce will do the rest for you. And it really is as simple as that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a shorter one, which was awesome. As always, any comments or questions, please leave those in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next one.